All Quiet on the Western Front is a classic World War I novel that was later adapted into a movie. It was written by a German veteran and detailed the German soldiers' extreme physical and mental stress during the war and their detachment from civilian life upon returning home from the front. In a perverse way, the story's protagonist only feels belonging when he returns to the hell of the trenches, despite the trauma it's inflicting on him. And while it's completely inappropriate to compare the horrors of war to day trading, especially with the war in Ukraine taking place right now, there are perhaps lessons to be learned for the newly initiated. There is a recession in America, irrespective of what the latest definition is, and the cost of living crisis is engulfing the world. Millions of millennials are having a starting assumption that they will never own their own home. And while stimmies fuel the bull market, desperation and gambling personifies the bear. The Ethereum merge came and went and saw a delayed sell-off in US hours, and that leaves the market without any major events until the halvening in 2024. Until then, the crypto markets will be at the sole mercy of US monetary policy. And Goldman's have joined Ray Dalio in claiming that stagflation is gripping the US economy, and the lack of policy options available to the Fed is becoming evident. And there's a growing belief that raising rates in a stagflationary environment will fail to tame inflation and only serve to crush the economy, the worst case scenario. The good news is that the Overton window on this is moving. The bad news is that central banks are like tanker ships, slow to change direction. So in these rare moments of calm, take care of your risk and your mental health and spend some time away from the screens.